Today, a jury found a former Kent County Sheriff's deputy not guilty of assaulting a paralyzed man at a rest stop near Lansing. It took the jurors less than an hour to clear Marcelo Aranda of assault and battery charges.
His attorney says video of the fight posted online cost Aranda his job. But now he says his client is just trying to move on. 13 on your side's Trevor Gonzalez was in court when the verdict was announced.
It didn't take long for members of the jury to find Marcelo Aranda not guilty of that assault and battery charge. One member of the jury who read that verdict out loud ended up saying they looked into all possibilities, but at the end of the day, the testimony spoke for itself.
The verdict is not guilty.
Marcelo Aranda hugging his wife after a day-and-a-half trial. The alleged victim in the case, Tyler Lucan, not showing emotion.
I'm quite frankly shocked that this was charged. And I'm glad that Mr. Aranda can now get his life back. He was not guilty of what was alleged here, and I know that Mr. Lucan and his supporting witness, Ms. Denig, took the stand and they told a number of lies. And I think the jury saw through that relatively quickly.
Aranda did not testify in his own defense, but evidence like 911 calls he made painted a picture of an off-duty officer seeing a dangerous problem that wasn't getting fixed.
Why haven't the cops responded in 41 exits? Where people like you and I and Mr. Aranda and his family are in danger? That's the question that I have here. What did they do to solve this and determine what really happened? And the answer is absolutely nothing other than taking hook, line, and sinker what Mr. Lucan said at the time. That's it.
Aranda was quickly stripped of his job after news of the incident. But this was Lucan's 5th instance of driving drunk. Aranda's wife detailing that even Lucan's girlfriend knew he shouldn't have been on the road.
She told me that I know he's drunk. I told him not to drive. And then she proceeded to hand me her purse and said, "My keys are in the purse. Take it out of the car so he can't drive away again."
The prosecution relied on testimony of Lucan and his girlfriend, as well as the video she recorded.
This is a case about an off-duty cop who was a bully, who took the law into his own hands on this night.
But jurors didn't buy it. The defense instead pointed to a group of 5 others who pulled Lucan out of his car and battered him. The defense says none of those men were held accountable, but that his client did the right thing.
He took matters into his own hands when the police weren't willing to do so in an attempt to apprehend Mr. Lucan for committing a felonious assault against he and his family and for getting a drunk driver who has been charged and pled guilty to a felony, his 5th drunk driving, off the road when the police didn't do the job they were supposed to do.
A focus of the defense is how they believe the Ingham County Sheriff's Office botched their investigation by not getting everybody's side in this particular incident. Now, moving forward, it's not certain if Aranda will be going back to policing anytime soon, but either way, being cleared of this charge and being an innocent man is a step in the right direction. In Mason, Trevor Gonzalez, 13 on your side.